Everyone is learning AI. Very few are becoming AI engineers. There's a difference. Prompting Chat GPT is not AI engineering. Building production ready LLM systems is. In the next 5 minutes, I'll give you a clear roadmap to become job ready in AI engineering in 2026. No hype, no shortcuts, just clarity. What is AI engineering? AI engineering is not just machine learning. It is LLM integration. Or A, G systems, vector databases. AP is deployment observability, cost optimization. Think of it as software engineering plus ML plus systems design. Phase 1, Foundations, month 0 to 1. You must master 1. Python, async programming, fast API data, handling 2 core ML basics, supervised versus unsupervised learning, overfitting, embeddings, transformers. Understand what powers models like OpenAI and Google. You don't need to train models, but you must understand how they work. Phase 2, LLM stack, month 2 to 3. Now move to practical GenAI engineering. Learn LLM-powered prompt engineering, function calling, structured outputs, frameworks, LangChain, Llama index vector databases, Pinecone, Weaviate, OpenSearch build, ARAG system, flow, user query to embedding to vector, DB to context to LLM to response. If you cannot build this, you are not AI engineer yet. Phase 3, production skills, month 3 to 4. This is where most people fail. Learn async architecture, rate limiting token optimization, caching login monitoring. Understand latency cost per request, scaling strategy. This separates hobbyists from professionals. Phase 4, advanced systems, month 4 to 5. Now move to agentic workflows, multi-step reasoning systems, tool calling systems, LLM to API to DB to LLM, multimodal AI voice plus text integration. Study how enterprise-grade systems are built. This is where serious salaries start. Phase 5, enterprise mindset, month 5 to 6. Learn cloud deployment, AWS/Azure/GCP, Docker CI/CD, security, data privacy. Understand how companies actually ship AI, not demos, production systems. What companies actually look for. Companies don't care if you know 10 frameworks. They care if you can build, deploy. Scale optimize. One strong RAG plus agent system project is better than 20 certificates. Final advice: the AI hype cycle will cool, but AI infrastructure demand will grow. If you focus on systems, not shortcuts, you won't just get a job. You'll build the future. If you want, I can create a detailed 6-month study plan, a GitHub project roadmap, or a salary breakdown for AI engineers in 2026. Comment roadmap, and I'll share it.